Want to make your Notion pages stand out? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use custom fonts in Notion with a simple trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity hacks. Start by opening Google and typing text fonts online. You'll see plenty of font generator sites. Click on one like Fancy Text Generator. Once inside, type your text in the box and instantly you'll see dozens of creative font styles. From fun and playful to clean and professional. When you find one you like, just copy it using Ctrl+C or Command+C. Now head over to Notion, open your page and paste it directly where you want it. That's it. Your Notion workspace now has a personalized touch with custom fonts. Try different styles to keep your pages unique and visually engaging. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with friends and subscribe for more Notion tips.